Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a little unboxing to do. So I received my Ipsy Glam bag a couple days ago, and I figured since I'm filming my other videos, might as well film this one as well. So if you guys want to see what I received, then just keep on watching. So Ipsy Glam bag does retail for $12, but with tax it ends up being $13 a month. It does come with 5 sample size, or sometimes you do get a full-size product. For the month of March, since they're celebrating their 100th bag, you do get an extra product, so it's 6 products this month. So the first item that I'm going to start off with is that was just loose in the bag, and this is the Luxy 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. So I really do enjoy receiving Luxy brushes. I never have any issues with them. I've had some brushes for about 2 to 3 years and they're still holding on strong. So whenever someone asks, hey, what kind of brushes do you recommend? If Luxy is within your price range, then I definitely recommend picking up a set from them. Now this is of course a full-size brush, and it says it retails for $24. The next item that was just in the bag loosely is this Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in Americano. Now I'm actually not going to swatch this because looking at this shade, it's like glowy and it seems like it's too warm tone for me. So I'm actually going to end up giving this to a friend because I know she stated that she wanted this. So this is a deluxe sample size, and it retails, it's a deluxe sample size, but it's like a full size, so it retails for $35. Now going into skincare, this is the Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. So I'm always up for Blackhead's products, blackhead removal products. So yeah, it kind of smells like charcoal, but that's pretty interesting. That's what it looks like inside. So I am interested to try this. This is a deluxe sample size, so I'll try to leave the breakdown of the pricing right here, because it says on the card that the full size is $26. But this is very interesting to try, and I'm excited I received it. I almost forgot. So this is what this month's bag looks like. This bag, I prefer this bag versus the one that was in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Am I going to keep it? I'm not sure, just because I have quite a few going on right now. I do need to go through my makeup bag so that way I can declutter those, because I have quite a lot. I'm a hoarder with that too. So I might not keep this. So the next item that we have here is a Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. I actually have received a sample of this, a smaller sample of it, and I actually did like it. So I'm pretty glad I received this, because now I don't have to buy the full size. This is going to last me for another 2 to 3 months. And this is a deluxe size sample as well. It only gives a pricing for the full size, so I'll try to leave the breakdown of the retail value of it. Now the next item that we have here is a Polar Night Relaxing Cream. Can I use this for my body? So it doesn't state where I can use it, but most likely I'm going to use it on my hands, feet, you know, as a regular cream. It says it's a thick balm as well, so even more I'm going to use it on my feet and hands. This is a deluxe size sample. Doesn't give the pricing for it. It smells pretty nice. Yeah, so it looks like it's just a regular cream, so I'm definitely going to pop this in my purse since the lotion that I currently have in my purse is running low. Now for the last item that we have here is from Wander Beauty, and it is a powder eyeshadow. This is in the shade Blossom. So that is what that looks like. I am going to actually pop this in the giveaway that I have going on in my Birchbox and Ipsy Glam Pack. That's such a big word.
But
So I am actually going to pop this as well with the items that I'm giving away in my unboxing of the Birchbox and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to check out those items, then I'll definitely have the video linked above, so that way you guys can enter that giveaway. Alright guys, so that is it for my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you also as well are signed up for this subscription. and if you like it, or if you guys will receive the same products or different products. I always like seeing what people receive in their bags, just to see, you know, what the differences are. I do thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.